Hello, my dear students. I'm here back again with a second part of Unit 6 from your mathematics books. So, students, the name of this unit is Addition and Subtraction of Bigger Numbers. So, my dear students, in our previous video, we had discussed about how to add two-digit numbers and adding with regrouping and how to add three-digit numbers. So students, now in today's video we are going to practice or learn about subtracting bigger numbers. So students, without wasting your time, let's come to the topic. So students, let's find 726 minus 314. So students, to subtract these two three digit number, we have to follow some steps. So there are 3 steps that is given here. Let's practice, or let's learn how to do it. So first step is, first of all, you have to write both number in this sequence. So now our first step will be subtract the ones. So students, at ones place 6 ones minus 4 ones equals to 2 ones. Now in second step, subtract the tens. It means 2 tens minus 1 ten equals to 1 ten. Now in third step, subtract the 100. So here 7 hundreds minus 3 hundreds equals to 4 hundreds. So here when we subtract 726 from 314, we will get the answer 412. Now students, let's practice one more example. Subtract one number from the other. So students, here first of all, in the step 1, 6 ones minus 3 ones, it means 3 ones. In second step, subtract tens, 8 tens minus 5 tens, it means 3 tens. Now at 100 place there is only 4 hundreds, so we can write here 4. So students, here when we subtract 486 and 53, we get the answer 433. Now in next, 398 and 7. So students, to do this, first of all, we can write 399 at the top, and the second number is only one digit number. It means we can write this number at ones place because it is only one digit number. So students, let's do the first step. When we subtract 8 ones and 7 ones, we get 1. Okay. Now in tens place, there is only 9 tens. So we can write here 9 tens. At 100 place, there is only 3 hundreds. So we can write here 3. So we will get the answer 391 by subtracting 398 and 7. So students, Let's come to the exercise of this chapter 6.3. So students, in question number first, let me tell you how to do this. So first of all, as you know that the 3 steps that I explained you. First of all, subtract the ones. So here 8 ones minus 5 ones, you will get 3 ones. At tens place, there is 4 tens minus 3 ones equals to 4 tens minus 3 tens equals to 1 tens. And at hundreds place, there is 9 hundreds and minus 2 hundreds, you will get 7 hundreds. So in this way, you will get the answer 713. Now let's look at second question. First of all, what we have to do? Yes, subtract the ones. 9 ones minus 8 ones, we will get 1 1. At tens place, 2 tens minus 1 tenth equals to 1 10. At hundreds place, 400 minus 100 equals to 300. So in this way, answer will be 311. Now students, in question number 3 to 8, you will do the same process to find out the sum of these questions. So I hope you understood. Now students, let's come to the story sums. On Monday, 342 people visited the book fair. On Tuesday, 257 people visited the book fair. How many people visited the book fair in all? So students, here you have to find out how many people visited the book fair in all. So to do this, what you have to do? You have to do the addition or subtraction. Yes, you will do addition. So here you can add 442 and 257 to get the answer. So when you add this both number, you will get the answer 599. So there are 500 people visited the book fair in all. Now second question. Class 2 collected empty cans from Gandhi Maidan after the Diwali Mela was over. Class 2nd B collected 309 cans and class 2nd C collected 489 cans. So how many cans did 2nd C collect? So students, here you will do subtraction to get the answer. So the total number of cans that can be collected by 2nd C is 489 and cans collected by class 2nd B is 309. So when you subtract this both number, you will get 180 as an answer. So class 2nd C collected 180 more cans than class 2nd B. Now we are going to discuss exercise 6.5. Question number A, will you add or subtract? Tick the correct box and solve. So students, this is also a story sums, but here you have to tick the correct box while solving the story sums. If story sums is of addition, you will tick at add column, and if story sum is in story sum you have to subtract, you will tick in the subtract box. So students, question number 1 is already done here. Let's discuss about second question. A book has 256 pages. 135 pages have pictures. How many pages do not have pictures? So students, here the total number of pages in books is 256 and (135) pages have pictures. So to find out the pages that do not have picture, we will do subtraction. So here you have to subtract 256 with 135 to find out the answer. You have to do it on. Now next is, there are 147 students in a school on Tuesday. 11 were absent. How many students were present? So students, to find out this, you have to do subtraction. So here you will subtract 147 with 1 to get the answer. Now in question number 4, that is the last question. There are 45 yellow roses and 86 red roses in a garden. How many roses are there in all? Which roses are less, yellow or red? How many less? So students, here there are 45 yellow roses and 86 roses in a garden. So you have to tell the total number of roses in the garden. So to do this, you have to add 45 and 86 to get the answer, or to get the total number of roses there in all. And after this, you have to tell which roses are less, yellow or red, and how many less. So I hope you understood how to do this question. Do it in your PC copy. Now this unit is completed. I hope you understood all the sums very clearly by the help of this video. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you students. Bye and take care.